Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. This particular boat is powered by the Mercury 300 Dorado engines. You'll see the quick oil change, check, and cowling release system on the front. Here at the back, you'll have a huge transom live well. Freshwater sprayer. As we enter the boat, here in the back, very large transom seat. You also have a freshwater and raw water wash system here on the port side. And you'll also see the dive door, which a stainless ladder goes there for ease in and out of the boat. This boat is going to have in-floor fish boxes on the port and starboard side. You'll see a JL Audio subwoofer as well. Here in the back, you'll see easy access to all your pumps, seacocks, and teak tables stored up underneath the hatch. As we move forward, you'll see all your battery switches, key switches, and breakers here on the starboard side. Coming forward to the helm, tilt wheel steering, spotlight control, trim tabs, Mercury vessel view system. You do have a glove box with USB and 12-volt charging ports, Fusion stereo, and active trim. We leave the dash blank so you can decide on what electronics package to pick. You'll see all your main switches here. It does have an opening port window for airflow. Large electronics box. Storage for life jackets up top. Coming forward, you do have the trolling seats. Access to the hard top. Coming up front, see a very spacious seat in front of the helm with plenty of storage down below. Here on the floor, got a large fish box in the floor. And you'll see wraparound seating in the bow with a low profile stainless steel rail. Here in the very front, you'll see a flush mounted windlass with remote control and winch right here. Finally, we'll open up console. You'll see a very spacious head, sink, shower, all down below. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.